Welcome to Happy Yarny. Happy to have you here. Today we're making this fried chicken drumstick. Looks so good, right? It's totally making me crave fried chicken. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to start with 6 single crochets into a magic ring. Mark the first stitch with a stitch marker. For round 2, work 6 increases. That means 2 single crochets in each stitch, repeated 6 times. Starting from round 2, work into the back loops only. That's the loop furthest away from you. For round 3, work 1 single crochet, then 1 increase. Repeat this sequence 6 times. For round 4, the sequence is 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and 1 single crochet. Repeat this 6 times. For round 5, work 3 single crochets, then 1 increase. Repeat this 6 times. For rounds 6 to 8, just work 1 single crochet in each stitch around. You'll have 30 stitches for each round. For round 9, the sequence is 3 single crochets, then an invisible decrease. Repeat this 6 times. Round 10, we're going to do 1 single crochet, 1 invisible decrease, and another single crochet. For round 11, just work 1 single crochet in each stitch around, for a total of 18 stitches. Round 12. The sequence is 1 single crochet followed by an invisible decrease. Repeat this 6 times. From rounds 13 to 19, work 12 single crochets for each round. Once you're done, go ahead and stuff the piece with fiber fill. Finally, for round 20, finish up with 6 invisible decreases to close. Now for the crispy skin. Slip stitch into the front loop, then chain 4. Then, slip stitch into the next stitch and chain 4 again. Quick tip to make the skin look more realistic and crispier. Try splitting the yarn and crocheting into just 1 or 2 strands to give it a messy texture. No need to go through the whole stitch. You can add a few more stitches in this part to give it a fuller look. Continue working this pattern into the front loops all the way around. For this part, you actually only need to chain 3. It makes the drumstick look much better. And our fried chicken drumstick is finally finished. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crochet videos. See you next time.